Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip, and today we're going to be giving you guys a TONIC update. Yeah, we're going to be talking about the Tectonic protocol on the Cronos Chain, which I believe could be a massive gainer in the next bull market. Of course, there has been some breaking news that has been scaring some folks when it comes to staking and trusting large exchanges like Crypto.com and Binance, given Kraken just had to pay a $30 million settlement fine to the SEC. Yes, that did just happen. But guys, I put out a live stream yesterday with my partner on the channel, Maxi, and we put some of the FUD to rest. Now, while there is a risk for some of the centralized earn features on some of the centralized exchanges, I do believe that the DeFi opportunities out in the market, yes, staking on the crypto.org chain through the crypto.com DeFi app, and some of the staking opportunities in some of the DeFi protocols on chains like Cronos, using protocols like Tectonic, like Compound, like Aave on the Ethereum platform. These are going to be huge opportunities, and I'm going to show you guys exactly why in this video. So if you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. We're doing 5 videos every single day for you guys. When we hit 10,000 subscribers on the channel, we're giving away free money, $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one lucky subscriber on the channel. So don't miss out, folks. Quick update on the crypto market cap. We're just around that $1 trillion threshold for the overall market cap of crypto, which is huge, folks. Bitcoin's down below $22,000 today. Ethereum is below $1,600. And if you do look at Tonic's price right now, Tectonic is down quite a bit, actually, giving us more of an opportunity to buy. If you look at the year-to-date chart, we have been so pumped up here so far for the month of January. It was big. Now we're in February. And we're coming down just a little bit, probably just because Bitcoin and Ethereum and the rest of the market are coming down as well. That being said, I'm going to lay out a couple reasons why I'm feeling very good. Now, first things first, the SEC signals a crackdown on a crypto practice. What they're talking about here is staking. And if you guys haven't seen it, I highly recommend you Google right now, or YouTube, Gary Gensler staking. He put out a video, very cheesy video at that, on staking. And yeah, he makes a joke about stake, S-T-E-A-K versus S-T-A-K-E. Haha, Gary Gensler, you're so funny. Also, we know you were talking with backdoor deals with FTX and the, founder of FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried. So that was very interesting. And now there is an investigation, by the way, being launched into, which we'll talk about here in a second. But people were concerned about the staking. And what you got to note here is that Gary Gensler is not attacking DeFi. In fact, he came out recently and he toted, not your keys, not your coins. He's going after centralized entities, not DeFi. So this is a very interesting thing to note, guys. Also note that right now, actual people in the government are coming after Gary Gensler and want to hold him accountable. He says to some of these crypto companies, come in and talk to the SEC and, be a part of regulation, right? Understand what the regulations are. Well, looks like the government's actually telling to Gary Gensler and the SEC, why don't you come in and talk to us as well to make sure that your oversight on crypto is good. So they want to oversight the SEC, which is great to see. But guys, they are not targeting DeFi. And here's what I want to highlight for you guys about Tectonic and DeFi overall. One thing to note, Cronos Chain is still very new. How new? It was launched on November 8th of 2021, guys. It is barely even over a year old, folks. Think about that. It is approximately 1 year and 3 months old, which is nothing. So much more upside. Cronos almost hit $1 last time, which was approximately a $10 or so billion market cap, more than a $10 billion market cap. It was absolutely massive. And it's only been around since November 8th of 2021. That's incredible to think about, guys. It was launched right around the time, actually, that it was raging up towards $1, which is no coincidence. So the excitement was there, and now a bear market hit. But here's one thing I want to remind you guys is Binance Smart Chain, which is one of the largest next to Ethereum's total value locked up when it comes to DeFi, they were only launched in 2019. So Binance Smart Chain, which is significantly bigger, has a 2-year head start on Cronos. And yet Cronos is still very strong, making it into the top 10. And one thing you got to know too is if you're bullish on Cronos Chain, given how strong it is and how in its infancy it is, then you got to be bullish on TONIC as well. Why? Because TONIC is the largest borrowing and lending protocol on Cronos Chain for anybody that's using the Cronos DeFi ecosystem. This is a really big project, guys. You want to put it into perspective? Well, think about it this way. Binance, which had a 2-year head start for the Binance Smart Chain, is at $4.8 billion. Well, Cronos only has $387 million locked up. Guys, I think that Cronos is going to get much closer to Binance in the next bull market. Keywords, guys, we got to wait for the next bull market to see this absolute skyrocketing opportunity. And why am I so bullish on TONIC? Well, when you look at the Cronos ecosystem and you look at the projects that are making most of the total value locked up in this chain, really, it's VVS Finance and Tectonic. I think Tectonic's a little more simple to use. I think there's a little less risk with it, simple staking. And again, this is not what Gary Gensler and the SEC is attacking. He is attacking potentially the Crypto.com earn feature on the main app, not the DeFi. That's why he's coming after exchanges like Kraken, which is a centralized product, right? He wants them to register with the SEC and properly identify and put the warnings and disclosures for the earning and borrowing and lending protocols on these centralized entities. But that does not apply to these community-built chains, right? These pools that are created in these DeFi ecosystems. It's a different game. So for that reason, as these centralized exchanges get shut down for their earning and borrowing and their lending protocols, which may or may not happen, still potentially FUD, I think this presents an even bigger opportunity than ever before for DeFi, which is why my eyes are on TONIC, considering how low the market cap is. Guys, you look at this market cap for Tectonic, folks, it is only at, you look at the overall market cap, it's at a $20 million market cap. You get to a $1 billion market cap, congratulations, you have absolutely massive upside. And frankly, guys, I think it could be much bigger than that. Cronos is a $2 billion market cap right now. I think it could be upwards of a $40 billion market cap in the next bull market. And TONIC, no reason it can't surpass a $1 billion threshold for its market cap, given that it is one of the biggest chains. And this is still, remember, 2021 Cronos Chain was launched, so it's still in its infancy. A lot more developers to come along, and who knows, maybe there's going to be other protocols that come and pass TONIC, certainly. So keep an eye, guys, on the protocols, on the Cronos Chain. It's in its infancy. There's so much hype around it. It's so exciting. As the SEC threatens regulation on the centralized entities, DeFi protocols like this get more and more attractive, folks. If you look at where Cronos is at today, remember, folks, we were at almost $1 in the last bull market. This was riding off of some of the news, by the way. Remember, this is November of 2021. Cronos mainnet was launched, and then a bear market hit us. So that's really why we came down. We still have not fully recovered from the FTX collapse, but once we do, guys, and once this goes off to the races, and we really start to see, boom, something like this start to happen again and get back to all-time highs, folks, you got to look out for TONIC. I do think it's going to be a huge gainer for you guys. I'm pretty excited about it. This is not financial advice, but you put all the pieces together, it really does start to make sense. I'm so excited given how much traction is behind Cronos being in a top 10 total value looked up DeFi project and some of the protocols on Cronos. Very, very exciting, folks. That's really all I got, guys. I'm very excited about Crypto.com and Cronos, and that's why we're giving away a loaded lion on the channel. When we hit 25,000 subscribers, if you want to enter this giveaway, follow us on Twitter at _CryptoReport. Follow the instructions to this giveaway, and if you become a member on the channel, you get an additional 10 entries for every month you're a member, and you can just go here to join. Remember, guys, 5 videos every single day, live streams at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time for you guys every Tuesday, Thursday. So consider joining the Crypto Report team. A lot of other benefits to becoming a member, including trading signals, NFT alpha in our private Discord for members. So check it out, guys. Yes, I am feeling bullish still, folks, even after the Gary Gensler FUD. I do think he's going to be held accountable. You do see the government starting to do more oversight on the SEC, which is great to see, guys. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget, folks, to DCA, HODL, and of course, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much, everybody. I got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace.